Meanwhile, authorities cracked down on a long-running illegal online gambling operation in Cebu City, catching 4 Korean nationals red-handed in a condominium raid. The PNP-ACG revealed the suspects were allegedly manipulating games and raking in millions each month as investigators look into possible accomplices in the scheme. Ryan Lesigues reports.
These foreign nationals were in the middle of running their illegal gambling activities when personnel of the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group raided a condominium in Cebu City. After confirming the location, the PNP-ACG immediately launched an operation in which 4 Korean nationals were arrested. Team members discovered numerous monitors and other devices used in the illegal operation.
Nag-conduct ng surveillance and cyber patrolling based on information report relayed by concerned citizens that there are foreigners that are involved in illegal online gambling activities. So ito ay parang isang mini hub.
According to PNP-ACG Director Police Brigadier General Wilson Asueta, betting on several games was being offered to their customers, but the results of the games were allegedly manipulated and fixed by the suspects.
There's a tendency na ang mga tumataya dyan ay sa umpisa papanalunin, then later on, talo rin kayo kasi they can manipulate the system.
The group was reportedly earning no less than 10 million pesos every month. The PNP-ACG investigation revealed that the online gambling operation had allegedly been running for almost 5 years without any legal business documents. Authorities are also determining whether other accomplices were involved in the operation.
Pinag-aaralan natin kung ito ay may kinalaman ang may-ari ng kondo sa operation ng mga illegal online gambling. So kung meron silang kinalaman, so pili natin sila isabay sa kaso.
The arrested foreign nationals are set to face charges of illegal gambling in relation to the Cybercrime Prevention Act. Ryan Lesigues from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.